Hello children, now let us write the PQs for block 9. Read the story The Race and answer the questions. Already you had listened to the story The Race. Now who wins the race? How does he win? Now from the story Totu and Hira, who had won the race and how does he win? So the way how he win, that is very important here. You want to write that also. Now coming to B, describe the character of Hira here. So how he is, what is his character? So you want to write the describing words about Hira here. And also you want to describe the character of Totu tortoise. So you can find it from the lesson while you are reading about Totu and Hira. Now second one, read the story The Donkey and the Fox and answer the questions down given a story about a donkey and a fox. If you read, then you can write the answers. So what is the first question? Who is the character in this story? So according to the title, you can tell who are the characters. What happens with him? So who is the main character? If you observe, you want to write the main character. Who is the character in this story and what happens with him? What story does it remind you of? Why? So when we are reading this story, we can remember some other story. Whatever it might be, do you remember? If you remember, just try to recall it. And you want to write why you are remembering. What is the reason you are remembering that story? Now third one, draw a Venn diagram. So you know already how to draw a Venn diagram. Write two circles intersecting in between. Now you want to compare and contrast the character of donkey from the story above with the character from the story it reminds you of. So already we discussed that how to draw Venn diagram. Here you want to remember some other characters, some other story as you had said in C. So that character and this character of donkey you want to try to compare. Comparing means find the similarities. Contrasting means the differences. Now draw a chart with two columns titled Similarities and Differences and compare and contrast the settings, events and the moral lessons from the story The Donkey and the Fox with the story it reminds you of. So you want to try to collect one story because you want to write these PQs. So try to remember one story and draw the columns and you want to write the similarities and differences. If you complete third one, basing on that you can do the fourth one. Now if you move to page number 70, the fifth one, underline the common nouns in the story The Donkey and the Fox. For each of the common nouns, write a proper noun. So you want to underline from The Donkey and the Fox story and also you want to write a proper noun for this. And spot the errors in the passage and rewrite it after making corrections. So check that all the proper nouns start with a capital letter and wherever there is a requirement of full stop, you want to put the full stop and complete the passage and write it in your classwork. Now coming to seventh one, read the lines and write what you think will happen next. Meenu was swinging on the swings with full speed. Suddenly she heard a snap. So while she was swinging very fast, she heard a snap. What do you think will happen next? Snap is the sound of something which has broken suddenly. So if you hear a sound suddenly, so what will happen? According to Meena, you just write it. Now coming to eighth one, which character did you like the most in the three stories you read? The Lion and the Mouse, the Hare and the Tortoise and the Race. And you want to give a reason for your choice. You want to choose one and you want to give a reason why you liked that one. So basing on this, you want to complete your classwork and send it to WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.